What's up, everybody? Mancave Dave here in Wisconsin with a quick pickups video. Today is Wednesday, June 26th, and this is some stuff that I picked up yesterday and today, actually. And so I just wanted to show it off real quick before it all gets packed away. So first thing, stop by a Half Price Books. Love Half Price Books. I could never work there because all of my money would go just directly back to the store. But I recently picked up a Nintendo DS, and so I had to get this, Super Princess Peach, which seems kind of fun. It's a take on, of course, Super Mario Brothers, but instead of rescuing Princess Peach, you play as Princess Peach, rescuing Mario, which you can kind of see in the corner, Mario being taken away by Bowser. So just kind of reading through, it looked pretty fun. I love platformers like Mario Brothers, and so I figured I would give it a shot. Maybe a little bit more pink than what I usually prefer in my video games, but again, it looked pretty fun. Next, got a NES game, Bo Jackson Baseball. This was $3.99. You can see there's a lot of sticker residue on it and some damage to the label. This was a game I didn't have, and so I figured I would go ahead and pick it up and add it to the collection. I remember when I was a kid, Bo Jackson was everywhere. Bo knows baseball, Bo knows this, Bo blah blah blah. I'm not even sure what happened to him, but apparently Bo knew Nintendo as well. So go ahead and grab that. Excuse me. Next, we got a Nintendo DS game, Personal Trainer Walking. This is $10. And as I look to get a little bit more active for the summer, I figured I'd give this a shot and kind of think it might be a fun way to get out there and measure the activity I'm doing. So went ahead and grabbed that. And then last but not least, for the PS2, Silent Hill 4, The Room, $20, which is pretty right on for what this game is worth. So when I find these games that are a little bit harder to find, especially since GameStop is stopping selling PS2, I go ahead and pick them up. So good find there. Next, I went to a thrift store, same place that I got that great lot of NES and PS1 games a week or two ago, and I asked if they had any more video game stuff because they didn't have anything out, and the lady behind the counter was like, no, I don't think we do. There's this guy there, he's probably about 16 or 17, he knows me, he's helped me out before, he's like, dude, let me look in the back room, I think we got a box of Sega stuff. I was like, oh man, that'd be awesome. He goes back, rummages around, comes back out and says, I think they threw it out. I was like, oh no! So then he goes, let me check one more place. He went back to the office and he comes out with this. And so it's a Sega Genesis. There's a note on it. It says, the Genesis system turns on, wasn't able to test it with the TV. There's games and a controller. So it's the Genesis 1 system, 2 controllers, power cord. There's some random literature. For the Xbox, we got flat out Final Fantasy 12 for, I think this was PS2 when I looked at the system. A Reward Zone Program Enrollment Kit. And Elder Scrolls 3 Morrowind Game of the Year Edition manual. And then came with 3 games. So we've got Sonic 2, kind of a rough copy of that. We've got King's Bounty, A Conqueror's Quest. Looks like this was a rental, but I didn't have this game. It's about a $9-10 game. And last but not least, we have Shining Force 2, which I already have. This is a pretty popular game. It's about a $20 game, and so anytime I find a copy like this, I definitely grab it if I can. So I asked him how much he wanted for it. I told him, man, yeah, I'm definitely interested. He goes, 60. I'm like, 60? He's like, no, 6. $5.99. 6. I was like, shut up and take my money. So for $6, I got this crate of stuff. I'm not sure if the Genesis will work, but I have some extra AV cords. But $6, even just for any of these games, except for maybe that one, it's a pretty great deal. So I was happy to get that. Last but not least, stopped by St. Vinny's today. I picked up some games. I have luck there every now and then. So for PS2, The Grim Adventures of Billy and Mandy. I remember this cartoon when I was in college and thinking it was just kind of trippy. But it was $4.50, which is about spot on. So I went ahead and grabbed it. It's complete with the manual. And then they had a bunch of N64 games. So I got Triple Play 2000. All these were $1.50 each. I didn't have this one, that's why I grabbed it. We got A Bug's Life by Disney. What else? Mickey Speedway USA. I had this, but mine was all written on. This one's a pretty clean copy. Beetle Racing, Beetle Adventure Racing. Pokemon Snap. Hey You Pikachu. Jet Force Gemini. Xena, Warrior Princess, the Talisman of Fire, which I didn't have. And that was it for games. Oh, and I got this Sudoku. It was a whopping 40 cents. So, pop some batteries in it, see if it works. I'm sure somebody will want it. So, all in all, some pretty good hunting over the last couple of days. Picked up some games I didn't have. Some good systems and games I can clean up and add to some other stuff to recoup my money. And, yeah, good deal. So anyway, from here in Wisconsin, this is Mancave Dave. Hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all at the next sale. Take care.